Our local friend Sobeida invited us to her house to learn how to make arepas. We arrived a little bit too early, so we lounged around on her patio. Well, good morning. We're with Sobeida, the head of Ministry of Tourism in Luperon, and she personally sends a welcome to every cruiser that wants to come out. Today, she's going to teach us how to make Dominican-style tacos?
No, arepas. Arepas.
Arepas.
It's like a sandwich.
Oh, okay. So we're going to learn how to make arepas, a Dominican sandwich that looks like a taco. Before heading in to learn how to make arepas, QP had to have a tour of the garden. Here we are at Sobeida's hospital. Whenever she has a broken plant or a baby plant, it goes here. And here's all of her little babies. Baby aloe vera, baby cactuses, baby stuff. And this is Mrs. Sobeida, the nurse.
Carnival in Luperon. We used to have a mask named cochilla, and then it is made from the hip of the cow. You put it on your face, but then you put the banana leaves and make it the dress, and then imagine that you have just like that. And
That is very cool.
And your face. And this is from a cow hip.
QP said she wants to try on a cow's hip. That's a very cool mask.
Thank you.
We finished the tour outside. Now we're going inside to learn how to make the Dominican sandwiches. But I already forgot how to say the name. Okay. Here we are in her kitchen, and she's making the arepas. That's from cornmeal flour. And you put the cornmeal flour in, add water, and if you want a little bit of salt, you can use vegetable juices to make different colors.
And then you fry it.
Make a round patty and then fry it.
Okay. Like this side. Okay. Like packet.
Sobeida made the first arepa, and I didn't notice when she was telling us about the hole in the middle. So when you're frying it, the oil can come through and cook the other side. So each one is deep fried. Oh, I can see why the hole is in the middle now. Look at the oil bubbling through. Very interesting. So while those two are cooking, she's making more. After the bread is cooked, she stuffs it with this meat, and this one is chicken and carrot mixed. Okay, very nice. She turns each one over 2 or 3 times until it's well done and crispy on the outside, and then drain the oil off of it and take them out. Poor Sobeida never gets a day off. The next step is to split the arruda open and add your stuffing. In this case, it's ketchup, cheese, and the chicken carrot mixture. When Sobeida makes an arepa, it is stuffed full. Try. Is it too hot?
No, que yo tengo mi tiempo en otra cosa, tú sabes,
Sobeida made us 2 more arepas to try. The next one was a pork mixture that was very juicy. It was good. After eating the chicken and pork arepa, QP and I were both full, but we still have the ham and cheese one to go. Thank you. Thank you for teaching us how to make them. QP? Oh, she's got her mouth full. If you want some of Sobeida's arepas, you can get them from 4 o'clock until 10:30 on weekends, or 6 o'clock to 10:30 during the week, and they cost 100 each.
Yes.
And if you want fries with that, it's 150. Did I miss anything?
No. Thank you.
And thank you very much for teaching us about them.